Guangzhou Yucaitang Cosmetics Company Limited was established in China's Pearl River Delta, the core city of Guangzhou. The company has been focusing on the production and researching of skincare and hair care products, such as the hair rinse, shampoo, etc. We are a comprehensive company gathering functions of researching, production, sale, foreign trade, and OEM. China's economic development has been rapidly growing. Our company relies on strong R&D capability, integrity business spirit, and efficient team collaboration. Strong momentum of rapid business growing has been accumulated. Since establishment, the company was built strictly and consistent with GMP standards, introduced the world-class equipment and processes, installed a modern production line, coupled with 100,000 class of air purification system, workshop of pharmaceutical-grade disinfection system, 3A grade water purification standard, ensured a world-class product quality. In the meantime, Yucaitang Cosmetic R&D Center has been collaborating with Tsinghua University and other famous universities over years, developed more than 18 series productions, e.g. freckle reduction, fitness, perm class, chest beauty, hair growing, and other hundreds of Chinese herbal beauty cosmetic products. All products have received national security certification. Our products have been accepted by the market, nominated as Consumer Trust products. The employees are the most valuable resources of Yucaitang. The company treats every employee heartedly to provide them with development opportunities. Meanwhile, the rich and professional human resources have ensured the company's leading position of cosmetic research and development. The customers are the cornerstone of the development of Yucaitang. Our company has been working deeply with each partner, moving forward hand in hand. Since the foundation at the very beginning, the company has established the spirit of market-oriented, customer-centered, continued to provide customers high-quality, environmental-friendly, efficient herbal cosmetic products to meet the ever-changing consumer demands. Our products has quickly occupied domestic market and distributing with sale network in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and America. We would like to share the happiness of success with all our customers. Looking forward, Chinese economy has been stepping into the world at a quicker step. We are willing to work with all friends to paint a magnificent chapter in future. Make the life more exciting. Make the world more colorful because of you. Make the world more beautiful because of you. Guangzhou Yucaitang Cosmetics Company Limited.